Yes, guys, Funfair Audits, we're coming at you. Just bear with us a moment. I need another cider. Um, yeah, I've got to offer me apologise to a lot of people who tune in and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, look at this. What have we got tonight? It ain't fantastic. It's a bag in the box. Henry Weston's organic cider. It's about 6%, but to be honest with you, it's dead. It does need a bit of lemonade in it. Now, it ain't the best, Henry Weston, but it's certainly a lot better than that stuff called Old Rosie. I mean, that's horrible. I won't buy that again. You can get it in those glass demi jars, but nah, they're horrible. Where am I? Yeah, Funfair wise, it's gone a bit quiet. What am I getting here? I need a jar of Geeters, premium. It all looks back to front on the camera. Yeah, it's called premium mango and chili chutney. Yeah, it's nice. It's not hot, but it's just got that bit of a tang to it. And the other one we've got is again, it's Geeters. I do like Geeters stuff. It's probably the best additive you can get when you're having poppadoms, and that one's called a premium lime and chili chutney. Now, I'm not a great fan of lime, to be honest with you, but yeah, it doesn't work too badly, that one. So anyway, let's get a couple of poppadoms, and then we can tell you what's going on. Well, the channel's been quiet. I was going to go out and do a vlog down in Polesworth. I haven't done a John Barker's fair this year, which is a shame, because John always puts a damn good fair on. But we'll see how we're travelling. I've had a problem with me back just lately, so things have really slowed down. But hopefully we'll get this channel back up and running again. There's a lot of carnivals going on at the moment, so it's hard to track down where a lot of this stuff is. Certainly Polesworth looks like it's got a damn good lineup. I've got a funny feeling that Johnny Humphries is down there with the Walser. Don't quote me on this. I think Johnny Humphries is down there with the Walser, and also Michael McKean with the Tip Top. Now, if you've never done Tip Top, Michael McKean, you've really got to get on that one. That's a damn good ride. I'm just going on photos that I've seen, so don't take my word for it. You know, do your own investigations. Polesworth is a little village. Well, I say a village, it's called a village, but it's got a population of about 8,900 people or something like that. So it's bigger than where I live, and where I live it's definitely a town. But Polesworth is a place in North Warwickshire, sort of like Walsall, Cannock, somewhere in between the two. So yeah, I recommend you go and have a look at that one. Now, as far as I'm aware, we've got a fair next week in Montpellier Gardens. That's Cheltenham. So hopefully, looking forward to that one, because a very good friend of mine, Edward Dantas Senior. God, I got a sore throat. Ed, Edward Dancer Senior operates that fair. I know Chris Danton should be down there with the first Fair Trade Worlds Forever, and it does go well as well. So yeah, if you want a bit of history, if you want your first ever fair trade, pop down to Cheltenham, Montpellier Gardens. So that'll be, I'm not sure what the date is. It's the 4th of July today, so it's probably going to be another week. So what are we talking about, the 11th, something like that? 11th of July 2024. Let's just raise a glass of cider up to you. Hey, it's election night tonight. What time is it now? It's about 25 to 12. I suppose there's going to be a mad rush to see who can get the first election results in. I don't care. I don't care who wins. I'm an anarchist. I'm not bothered about who wins because the rich get richer and the poor just die. So I don't care. Whoever wins. If you're a person like me, you ain't going to be any better off. It's all down to the paymasters, civil servants. This ain't a democracy. To be honest with you, that's Every Western stuff. It doesn't taste too bad with the drop of cider in it. It certainly needs something just to liven it up. Right, let's. Did I put some? I don't think I put any lime in there. No, I didn't. This is just the Geeta's mango and chilli. I tell you what, folks, there's certainly some nice lumps of mango in it as well. So, if you like your mango chilli, yeah, it's not hot. It's not hot, so you'll probably find that anybody can enjoy that. And if you see it around for a £1.50 a jar, it's a bargain. Where's the let's try this lime one. I did have one not long ago. Oh crikey, I can't remember what it was. It was a certain herb that is good for the stomach. Yeah, that's quite nice. Yeah, lime and chilli. It's not too strong, because lime has got a very strong flavour to it, but that's yeah, that's quite delicate. So yeah, if you don't like it too strong, I mean, I could even eat that by the yeah, by the spoon. I mean, there's certainly chunks in it, but yeah, it's not big pieces of lime, as you can see. You know, it's more of a sauce than anything. But yeah, it's yeah, I don't mind that. Yeah, there's certainly some chunks in it. I don't know whether it's got the rind or not, but it is quite delicate. And lime can be quite overbearing. Yeah. Anyway, sod the bloody curry. We're talking about fun fairs. Yeah, it's it's a bit quiet at the moment, so I'm ever so sorry that I can't bring you stuff. The way that my back's playing up, I've got to be sensible about it, otherwise, you know, we're never going to get anything done. I mean, I haven't been out now for, what, a week? I can't even remember. I can't even remember where I went. God, this is nice. Blimey. I tell you what, the fun fair should be. Blimey. The fun fair should be sticking this on their burgers or the hot dogs. Oh yeah. Now I'm always taking the mickey about the onions. I don't mean anything by it. It's just one of them. It's just a bit of fun. But if you're at home and you're doing the fried onions, I'll tell you what. Where are we? If you're cooking onions at home, I always use this stuff. It's called dark soy. Now, fry your onions, get them till they're nice and soft. You do them in the frying pan, obviously. Just go nice and soft. And when they're just starting to turn just slightly brown, that's when you add a little bit of dark soy on them. Don't get sticking salt on them, because salt's not good for you. And a lot of people make that mistake. Instead of using the salt, use the dark soy sauce. It adds the flavour to it, and also adds the colour as well. You don't need to burn your onions. As soon as they start to go a little bit brown, I'm not saying brown, just a little bit brown, that's when you add your dark soy sauce, and probably do them for about another 5 minutes, something like that. Don't do them for too long, otherwise you're going to cremate the damn things. But it certainly does help when you're using your soy sauce. Oh, I got to get back to this. What's his name? I'm gonna have to go to bed because it's getting late, guys. But yeah, I want to thank you all for all the subscribers that have been coming onto the channel just lately. Yeah, I really appreciate it. You know, got to thank you ever so much. I know that I've been a bit slack just lately, just not posting anything. In the last week, all I've done is put up a vlog with an on and off ride of Duncan Rogers Walser. I make no apologies for that, because that's a damn good waltzer. Yeah, if you ever see Duncan Rogers, it's a 10-car 1936 RJ Lakin, so I'm not going to make any apologies for that. That is history, man. So yeah, if you're going to end up on a good one and not do anything for a week, then make sure what you've left behind is something half decent. Right, I haven't even had a fag while I'm talking, have I? So yeah, I'll leave it there, guys. Thank you for watching the channel. I really do appreciate it. Appreciate it. I'm not pissed, honestly. I'm quite sober. Yeah, it's a long journey. We've tried hard for the channel. Over time, we've tried to improve the vlogs. We've had a bit of banter with Richard and the Brummy. She hasn't been with me just lately. So yeah, it's difficult when you're on your own because you can't generate that sort of humour, but you have to make the best of it. And luckily, the showmen are really good friends, especially the gaff lads as well. Without the gaff lads, I'll be screwed. I'm very wary. I don't know why it is. I don't know whether it's because of my mental health, but I'm very wary about having showmen as Facebook friends. Problem is, if you upset one of them, you upset the whole bloody lot of them. So, but the gaff lads have been brilliant. And the gaff girls as well. I've made some really brilliant friends, and yeah. If you're watching, folks, you know, thank you ever so much. It really does mean a lot because, you know, since my mum died, all I've done is sleep on the sofa, and I've got nobody to care for. So it's always great to get out and focus my mind. Right, so we're going to leave it there. We're Funfair Audits. We're loving you. And I hope whoever you voted for today wins. But I should imagine there might be quite a few of you that are going to go to bed tonight and think, that's it, I've had enough. Yeah, that's why I don't vote. Alright guys, Funfair Audits, and yeah, we're loving